Hello everyone. Selling products on Amazon by sourcing them from Alibaba is a great way to start an online business. In this video, I will guide you through the process step by step so you can confidently find, source, and sell products successfully. To begin, go to alibaba.com and create an account. If you already have an account, log in. Alibaba is one of the largest online marketplaces where manufacturers and wholesalers sell products at bulk prices. The goal is to find a profitable product that has strong demand on Amazon but isn't too competitive. Once you are logged in, use the search bar to look for products you are interested in selling. Think about popular product categories such as home goods, fitness accessories, kitchen tools, or pet products. These types of items tend to have steady demand. When searching, use specific keywords to find different product options. For example, instead of searching for water bottle, try something more detailed like insulated stainless steel water bottle with straw. This will help you find unique variations of products that may have less competition. As you browse, pay close attention to supplier listings. Look for suppliers that offer competitive prices and have good reviews from past buyers. A higher rating and more transactions usually indicate that a supplier is reliable. Click on different listings to compare your options. Check product descriptions, available colors, sizes, and pricing for different quantities. Some suppliers offer custom branding and packaging, which is useful if you want to create a private label product. When evaluating potential suppliers, it is essential to assess several key factors to ensure reliability and quality. Start by checking their response rate. This indicates how quickly and efficiently they communicate with buyers, which is crucial for smooth transactions and addressing any concerns that may arise. Additionally, consider how long the supplier has been in business. A company with several years of experience is more likely to have a stable operation and a proven track record of fulfilling orders reliably. Another important aspect is whether the supplier is verified. A verified status suggests that the platform has conducted background checks, providing an added layer of trust. Look for indicators such as the Gold Supplier Badge, which signifies that the company has met certain standards and maintains a reputable standing. Customer feedback is also invaluable when making a decision. Take the time to read reviews from other buyers to get insights into their experiences. Look for patterns in feedback, such as consistent praise for product quality and timely delivery, or recurring complaints about delays and poor communication. By thoroughly evaluating these factors, you can make a more informed choice and minimize the risks associated with dealing with unreliable suppliers. Click on the product listings to access detailed information about each item, including the minimum order quantity, MOQ, estimated production time, and shipping costs. Different suppliers have varying requirements. Some may have a high MOQ, making bulk purchases necessary, while others offer more flexible order quantities to accommodate smaller buyers. It is important to review these details carefully to ensure they align with your purchasing needs. Additionally, take note of any extra fees that may apply. Some suppliers charge customization fees if you want to add your brand name, logo, or other personalized elements to the product. Other potential costs may include packaging upgrades, expedited production fees, or additional charges for international shipping. Understanding these factors in advance can help you budget effectively and avoid unexpected expenses. Before finalizing your decision, take the time to reach out to multiple suppliers by clicking the Contact Supplier button on their profile. Engaging directly with suppliers allows you to gather essential details about their products, pricing, and services. Start by asking key questions to ensure they meet your specific needs. Inquire whether they can offer discounts for bulk purchases, as many suppliers are willing to provide better pricing for larger orders. Understanding their production capabilities is also important. Ask about their manufacturing lead times to determine how quickly they can fulfill your order. Additionally, request information on sample availability. Obtaining samples before committing to a bulk order helps you assess product quality and ensure it aligns with your expectations. Shipping options are another crucial factor. Discuss the available shipping methods, estimated delivery times, and associated costs to avoid unexpected delays or expenses. Reliable suppliers will respond promptly with clear and detailed answers. Their willingness to provide transparent information is a strong indicator of their professionalism and commitment to customer satisfaction. Taking these steps will help you choose the best supplier and secure a successful business transaction. Before committing to a large order, it is highly recommended that you request a sample of the product. This allows you to assess whether the item meets your expectations in terms of quality, design, and overall suitability for your needs. Although the cost of a sample is typically higher than the unit price in a bulk order, it is a worthwhile investment to prevent potential issues down the line. When you receive the sample, take the time to thoroughly inspect it. Pay close attention to the material, craftsmanship, and durability to ensure that it aligns with your standards. Additionally, examine the packaging to see if it is secure and appropriate for your intended use. If any aspects do not meet your expectations, consider discussing possible modifications with the supplier before proceeding with a full order. If you are fully satisfied with the sample, you can confidently move forward with placing a bulk order. This step helps to minimize risks, avoid unexpected surprises, and establish a reliable working relationship with the supplier. After carefully reviewing and confirming your order details, consider negotiating the price with the supplier if possible. Many suppliers are open to price adjustments, especially for bulk orders, as they value long-term business relationships. In some cases, they may offer discounts, promotional deals, or better payment terms to incentivize larger purchases. Politely inquire about any available discounts or flexible pricing options that could help you reduce costs. Once the pricing and terms are settled, choose a reliable shipping method that aligns with your budget and delivery timeline. Some suppliers provide multiple shipping options, including air freight, sea freight, and express courier services. Each method varies in cost, speed, and customs processing time, so it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Additionally, determine the best shipping destination for your products. Many suppliers can ship directly to Amazon's fulfillment centers, streamlining the process if you are selling through Amazon FBA. However, if you prefer to inspect the products before they reach Amazon, you can have them shipped to your location first. This allows you to check for quality issues, apply necessary labeling, or bundle products before sending them to Amazon's warehouses. Whatever option you choose, ensure that your shipping arrangements comply with Amazon's requirements to avoid any delays or issues with inventory management. While you wait for your order to arrive, take the opportunity to set up your Amazon seller account by visiting sellercentral.amazon.com. Amazon offers two types of selling plans: individual and professional. If you plan to sell fewer than 40 items per month, the individual plan is a cost-effective option, as you only pay a fee per item sold. However, if you anticipate selling more than 40 items each month, the professional plan is the better choice. With a professional account, you gain access to a range of advanced selling tools, including inventory management, bulk listing capabilities, and detailed sales reports. Additionally, you can take advantage of Amazon's advertising features to promote your products, optimize your listings for better visibility, and benefit from lower per item selling fees. Setting up your seller account now ensures that you are ready to start selling as soon as your inventory is available. Write a clear product title that includes the main features of the product. Add high-quality images that show the product from different angles. Include key product features in bullet points, highlighting what makes your product unique. Write a detailed description with relevant keywords to help customers find your listing. Use Amazon's keyword research tools or third-party tools to find the best keywords. Set a competitive price by checking similar products and their prices. Decide how you will fulfill your orders. You can use Amazon FBA, where Amazon handles storage, packing and shipping. This allows you to qualify for Prime shipping, which can increase your sales. If you choose to fulfill orders yourself, you will be responsible for shipping products directly to customers. Once your inventory is live, start marketing your product. Amazon PPC ads can help drive traffic to your listing. You can also promote your product through social media, influencer marketing, and email campaigns. The more exposure your product gets, the more likely you are to generate sales. Monitor your sales and reviews. Check your Amazon seller dashboard regularly to track performance. Customer reviews are important for building trust. If customers leave negative reviews, respond professionally and try to resolve any issues. Good customer service can help improve your reputation. Over time, optimize your listing by testing different images, descriptions, and pricing strategies. Pay attention to which strategies drive the most sales. If your product is performing well, consider scaling by ordering more inventory or expanding into other product categories. If you need help finding winning products to source from Alibaba and sell on Amazon, I recommend using Sell the Trend to identify what's actually selling. I put the link in the description below. I also included links to some other tools that I think you'll find very useful. Check them out